to building a Lego world. Today we're gonna start build something that I really wished for a long time ago, since it came out, and this year was the last year of this set and I lost my mind and I just bought it. And the set is a huge one. It's this, Jesus Christ, this Lego Creator, the Rollercoaster. I'm so in love with this and I didn't open it yet, but I think I'll have a great time building this. I'm really hoping that this will be a dream coming true. I also bought a motor for this, but this will take time, so I'll probably do more than 3 vlogs just doing this. And Gabriella will also join me on this, and probably in the next and future videos. So, are you ready, guys? I'm totally ready. So let's start this. New day, guys, new structure. So guys, that's it for today. We're almost on step 5, and this gigantic coaster is bigger than our heads. Look at this. And Gabby is hiding here because she's very shy of you. So I guess I see you, or we see you, or don't see you because this is enormous, on the next video. Bye! And keep in mind, a Lego a day keeps the sadness away. Tá bom? You're gonna leave.